Let's now start with chapter 6. So the first question is, the sign of work done by a force on a body is important to understand. State carefully if the following quantities are positive or negative. So the first one is work done by a man in lifting a bucket out of a well by means of a rope tied to the bucket. In this case, the direction of force and displacement are same. This work done is positive. The next one says work done by gravitational force in the above case. In this case, the direction of displacement is upward and the direction of force is downward. Thus, work done is negative in nature. Work done by a friction on a body sliding down an inclined plane. We know that friction acts in the direction opposite to the direction of motion. Hence, work done by the frictional force is negative. Work done by an applied force on a body moving on a rough horizontal plane with uniform velocity. In this case, the applied force supports the motion of object, balances frictional force. Thus, work done by the force is positive. Work done by the resistive force of air on a vibrating pendulum in bringing it to rest. Work done in this case is negative as the direction of force and motion are not identical.